Hello everyone. This is a revision guide on the correct use of micropipettes. You will have already used micropipettes in your first year, but you will be using them throughout your degree, so it's really useful for you to know the correct use of them, and it will make your pracs run a lot smoother here at Wait. So let's have a look at the pipettes that you will see in the classes here. You can see they come in a range of volumes, from the smallest, which is 0.5 to 10 microlitres, 5 to 50 microlitres, 50 to 200 microlitres, and 200 to 1000 microlitres. You will also come across the 1 ml to 5 ml pipette also, but probably not use this one quite so much. So let's go through the parts of the pipette that you need to know. The first thing is the plunger here. So you'll notice when you pick it up that there are two stops. The first stop and the second stop when you press it down. The first stop allows fluid to be drawn into the pipette, and the second stop makes sure that all the solution is expelled from the pipette tip. The second function of the plunger is to set the volume of the pipette, and you'll see that the volumes that the pipette can deliver are on the side, and they are in microlitres. So if we want to change the volume, we wind the pipette plunger like a dial, and in the window there you can see the volume that you have actually selected to pipette.
Welcome to the laboratory. This video demonstrates two key techniques in microbiology, aseptic technique and the streak plate technique. Aseptic technique basically means to create and maintain a clean, sterile environment for you to work in. This is extremely important when working with microorganisms, because you want to be sure that the organism you're transferring to the plate or a broth is your organism of interest without any contaminants. So to create a sterile environment, we firstly need to wipe down the surface that we're working on. So you should have some bench cleaner. So spray the bench with the bench cleaner. Bench cleaner is basically disinfectant, which will remove any dust or unwanted organisms that may be on the bench. So wipe down the disinfectant with a tissue or some paper towel provided, and place that in the bin. A key piece of equipment that you need to use to create a sterile environment is the Bunsen burner. When the Bunsen is lit, the flame creates an area of sterility in the air and also keeps the bench nice and clean as well.